Hello, how you doing? Look, we're just whizzing around my local Chinese Asian supermarket. We're going to make some lovely salmon today. It's very, very simple. Let's get moving. So in a dry pan, you can see that I've just layered some slices of lemon in the bottom. I'm going to add one chili. Just going to slit that open and put that in there. And then some whole cloves of garlic. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we've got some nice thick slices of fresh ginger. Roughly about the same. You can adjust that if you want. And then some star anise. Whole star anise. Just popping them in there. Really, really simple. This is going to be a nice bed for our fish. A little bit of salt. And then time for the fish. I've got a lovely fillet of salmon here. Skin on. Just, no bones. They de-picked it out for me. Skin side down. I'm going to lay that on top of the aromatics. Some water. Just some cold water. Pour that over. Just enough to cover it. Lid on. Get that cooking. It's going to take about 7 or 8 minutes for this size. Right, out it comes on a plate, beautifully poached. Little bit of soy sauce. I'm using a light soy. You could use a different, darker, syrupy soy if you want. I like the light one. Decorate that with a nice red chili as a signature. Little bit of star anise. Some green onions. That looks absolutely fabulous. Fabulous. So simple. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.